To create the scale of a floor whose base map has already entered Surfy, you go to that floor, you click on the base map to bring up the icons above the plan, and you zoom in on your scale bar. Above the map, the Manage Scale icon allows you to calibrate your scale by clicking the start of the scale for the first time. If your red line appears, you click the second end of your scale. The 5-meter segment has been defined. I will now be able to enter the distance of 5 meters in the area. All the rooms or furniture that will then be designed in Surfy will be based on this scale. You can change this scale by changing the length of the segment or by changing the distance value. Once your ladder is ready, you can start digitizing your parts.